In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use buckets and labels in Microsoft Planner. Let's jump in and make the most out of this powerful tool. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Planner. Once you've reached the Microsoft Planner site, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. If you already have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you may find yourself automatically signed in. But if not, no worries. Just type in your email address and follow it up with your password to log in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open your specific plan within Microsoft Planner. This is where the fun begins. Now, let's talk buckets. Buckets are a fantastic way to organize your tasks into different categories or stages. To create a new bucket, simply click on the Add New Bucket button. This will create a new column on your board where you can start organizing your tasks. It's a good idea to give your buckets clear and descriptive names, something that reflects your project or the stage of your tasks, like To Do, In Progress, or perhaps Project Phases. After naming, you can easily drag and drop tasks into their respective buckets to categorize them accordingly. This drag and drop feature is incredibly useful because it visually represents your workflow and makes task management more intuitive. If you need to reorganize or prioritize your buckets, you can click and drag the bucket titles to reorder them on your board. This flexibility allows you to customize your planner view to suit your needs. Now let's move on to labels. They are another powerful tool in Planner that you can use to add extra context to your tasks. To use labels, you first open a task and then select Add Label from the Details pane. Once there, you'll see a list of available colored labels you can choose from. Simply select the one that fits your needs. To make these labels even more meaningful, you can customize them by selecting the pencil icon next to an existing label to rename it. This is where you can get creative and label tasks as high priority or requires review, for example. These customized labels can quickly tell you what needs attention at a glance. Lastly, to gather more insights from your labels, you can use the Group By menu. By selecting labels, you can group all tasks with specific labels together. This feature can be remarkably helpful, especially when you need to focus on tasks that fall under certain criteria or review tasks that need similar attention. In summary, using buckets and labels in Microsoft Planner is an excellent way to keep your tasks organized and ensure your projects run smoothly. With these tools at your disposal, you can manage your workflow more efficiently and effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!